Let us discuss connected, disconnected graphs and components. What is meant by connected graph? Connected graph means the graph in which we can reach every vertex from every vertex by a single path is called as connected graph. A graph G is said to be connected if there exists path between every pair of vertices that means we can reach any vertex from any vertex by a path, by traveling by edges. If this case does not happen, then the graph is said to be disconnected. It is said to be disconnected if it is not connected. That means we cannot reach some vertex from given vertex by a path, or there does not exist a path between some pair of vertices, then that graph is said to be disconnected graph. In figure, if we see this graph G1, in this graph G1, the vertices are V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. We can see that we can reach any vertex from any vertex by a path. That means in every pair of vertices there is a path. If we consider V1, V4, what is the path between V1 and V4? The path between V1 and V4 is V1 to V5, V5 to V4. If we consider V1, V3, from V1 to V3 we can reach V1 to V2 and V2 to V3. In this way, there is a path between every pair of vertices. See, V3 to V5. V3 to V5, there are two paths. One is from V2 to V3 to V2, V2 to V5, and second V3 to V4, V4 to V5. That means there is a path between each pair of vertices, therefore this graph is connected. Now see second graph G2. In G2, vertices are V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7. We can see that there is no path between V2 to V5 or V1 to V5, V2 to V7 or V1 to V5, V3 to V5, V4 to V5. There is no path between these pair of vertices, and this graph is not connected graph. This graph is called as disconnected graph. Now, in this connected graph, there are more than one parts of the graph. See here in G2, V1, V2, V3, V4, this form one part, V5, V6, V7, this form one part. If we look at this graph, we can see that we can travel from V3 to V4, V2, V1 by a path. But we cannot travel to V5, V6, V7. That means if you start any vertex from this first part of the graph, we cannot travel to second part of the graph. Such parts are called as components. Components of the graph. Let us define components of the graph. The components of a graph G disconnected graph G is defined as as follows. As G is disconnected, there is no path between some pair of vertices. If we start from VI, vertex, then the vertices which have or which are connected by a path, which have a path to VI. The vertices which have path to VI together with all its edges is called as component. If we consider this graph G2, in this graph G2, if I start from V1, then V2 is connected with V1 because there is a path between V2 to V1, path between V3 to V1, path between V4 to V1. Therefore, these four vertices together with all edges incident on it is called as a component. Therefore, this is the first component. If we start from V7, then V6 has a path to V7, V5 has a path to V7. Therefore, V7, V6 and V5, these vertices together, all the edges incident on that vertices is called as component. And therefore, this is the second component. Thus, this graph G2 is divided into two components. Note that any disconnected graph must be must have more than one component or must be divided into more than one component. Clearly see that every component is always graph. This is one graph. Suppose this is G2 dash, this is G2 double dash. Every component is also itself a graph. Now let us try to prove one theorem. We shall write the statement of the theorem. A graph G is disconnected if and only if its vertex set V. A graph G is disconnected if and only if its vertex set V can be partitioned into if and only if its vertex set V can be partitioned into two non-empty disjoint subsets V1 and V2. two non-empty disjoint subsets V1 and V2 such that there is no edge incident there is no edge in G whose one end vertex is in V1, whose one end vertex is in V1 and other end vertex is in V2. We have to prove this theorem. A graph G is said to be disconnected if and only if its vertex set V can be partitioned into two non-empty subsets V1 and V2 such that there is no edge in G whose one end vertex is in V1 and other end vertex is in V2. Now we have to prove this theorem in both ways. We have to assume that the graph G is disconnected and prove this condition holds. And suppose such types of condition exist, and then we have to prove that graph G is disconnected. Now we shall suppose this condition holds first. Proof. Suppose such type of partition exist. Such types of partition exist, suppose. What is the meaning of this? There are the two vertices A and B which are end vertices of an edge E in G where A belongs to V1 and B belongs to V2. That means consider two arbitrary vertices A in V1 and B in V2, two arbitrary vertices A in V1 and B in V2. Now, if there is a edge between A and B, what happens? If there is edge between V1 and V2, V1 is one component and V2 is other component of the graph G. That means V1 itself is a graph, V2 itself is a graph, and there is a path between every pair of vertices in V1 as well as there is a path between every pair of vertices in V2. But as these two are connected components, connected graphs. Therefore, A belongs to V1, B belongs to V2, and if there is an edge between A and B, then every vertex in set V1 may be connected by this edge to every vertex in V2, and hence there should not exist any edge between V1 and V2 as these are disconnected graphs. There must not be edge an edge between A and B. Otherwise, G is connected. That means we have proved that this partition exists, but there is no edge between V1 and V2. Hence, what you can conclude from this? Hence, if partition exists, then G is not connected. G is not connected. Conversely, we shall assume that G is a disconnected graph. Opposite part of this, converse part. Conversely, suppose that G is disconnected. G is a disconnected graph. Let vertex A belong to G. A be the any arbitrary vertex we had taken. Now, as A is a vertex in G, we shall construct a component which are connected by some path to this vertex A, and that component we shall call it as a V1. Let V1 be the set of vertices that are connected or that are joined by a path to A. The vertices which are connected by a path to A are considered in a component, and that component is called as V1. Now what happens? As a graph G is disconnected, we know that there is no path between A and some vertices. As G is disconnected, not all the vertices of G are in V1. There are some vertices which are not in V1, and that remaining vertices are considered as second component. That remaining vertices of graph G are considered in V2. And what happens? We can conclude from this that there is no edge between V1 and V2. There is no edge between any vertex in V1 and any vertex in V2. Note that there is no edge between vertex in V1, a vertex in V1 and a vertex in V2, and this proves the condition. Thus, we have proved that if graph G is disconnected, then this type of partition exists such that the set G can be, vertex set V of a graph G can be divided into two components, V1 and V2, such that there is no edge between, there is no edge whose one end vertex is in V1 and other end vertex is in V2.